Turkey's recent entry into Somalia's energy sector reflects an intensifying partnership that could have profound impacts on both countries, especially Somalia's economic future. This initiative is part of a broader strategic effort by Turkey to establish itself as a pivotal player in East Africa, leveraging both economic and security alliances. The recent agreement, signed in March 2024, enables Turkish Petroleum, Turkey's national oil and gas company, to carry out exploration and potentially develop offshore oil and gas fields along Somalia's coast. Under this agreement, Turkey's Oruç Reis, a seismic research vessel, departed in early October to begin a 7-month mission, surveying 3 licensed areas in Somali waters. These areas, each spanning approximately 5,000 square kilometers, are identified as promising zones for hydrocarbon reserves. This mission includes 3D seismic studies, a sophisticated process that generates high-resolution subsurface images to detect potential oil and gas reserves. The surveys conducted will generate substantial data that, once analyzed in Ankara, will guide the next steps, which may involve drilling operations. The Oruç Reis vessel, launched in 2017 and fully constructed in Turkey, is a significant asset due to its advanced technology and multifunctional capabilities, covering geophysical, geological, oceanographic, and hydrographic research. Equipped with diesel-electric engines and a specialized seismic system, it can perform both 2D and 3D seismic studies, essential for oil and gas exploration. The vessel's deployment to Somalia underscores Turkey's confidence in the region's untapped hydrocarbon potential. Turkey's involvement in Somalia's energy sector is part of a larger strategic framework. Since 2011, Turkey has increased its economic, humanitarian, and military investments in Somalia, including the establishment of its largest overseas military base in Mogadishu. This presence has solidified Turkey as a key ally, providing Somalia with essential support in security, infrastructure, and economic development. The Turkish government has also been instrumental in assisting Somalia's military forces through training and support, which is critical for Somalia's stabilization efforts. The hydrocarbon exploration initiative brings potential economic benefits for Somalia, offering job creation, revenue generation, and the possibility of establishing a local oil and gas industry. However, Somalia faces challenges, including establishing a robust regulatory framework and managing the risks of potential environmental and social impacts of oil exploration. Turkey's involvement could help Somalia build the infrastructure and institutional capacity needed to handle such developments effectively. Geopolitical implications. Turkey's engagement in Somalia's oil and gas sector also signals a broader geopolitical maneuver. Positioned near strategic maritime routes, Somalia holds significant interest for major regional and global powers. Turkey's involvement contrasts with other international stakeholders, such as the United States and China, by focusing on long-term development rather than purely transactional engagements. By strengthening ties with Somalia, Turkey is extending its influence across the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, with potential implications for regional security and economic dynamics. Somali Petroleum Authority, Daily Sabah. Potential challenges and future prospects. The exploration deal comes with risks tied to Somalia's volatile security situation, as well as complex maritime territorial issues with neighboring countries. Additionally, the lack of established oil infrastructure and skilled local labor may present obstacles. However, Turkey's involvement may alleviate some challenges by providing technical expertise, infrastructure development, and possibly even facilitating financing for Somalia's energy sector. Turkey's exploration mission and continued commitment to economic and military cooperation demonstrate a mutually beneficial alliance with Somalia, with the potential to unlock resources that could significantly boost Somalia's economy while bolstering Turkey's position as a critical player in the region's energy landscape.